This here is going to be the first ever nitro-powered RC car that I'm going to review. I've always worked on them, helped some people out. I know how they work and run, but I've never actually owned one. I think this is going to be the absolute best way into the fuel game, and honestly, I think I'm just going to keep it there because we have a bunch of other things to really go fast with if I want some speed, but you just can't get over that nitro smell and sound. Now there's always something crazy being built in the Innovation RC lab, and in this video we are actually not going to be doing anything electric or brushless related, and I know that there's some pretty badass cars on this channel. Wait a minute, is that a bottle of fuel? Whoa! And here we go. This here is the Traxxas Nitro Rustler. Now, a little bit of a backstory. The reason why I got the Nitro Rustler as my first ever Nitro RC car. I mean, I've worked on them more than enough times, but I've never actually owned one. My first real RC car was a Traxxas Rustler from like 2008. I mean, that thing is so old it could almost get AARP benefits. Anyway, I'm staying true to the tradition, and my first Nitro car, I wanted it to be the Nitro Rustler. I mean, that just makes sense. This is definitely going to be a perfect amount of speed with what I really want for my first Nitro RC car. Yeah, I can't believe I'm actually touching one because I thought these things were actually going to be discontinued. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more. And also, if you haven't seen Innovation RC on Instagram, make sure you check it out. We'll have some behind the scenes footage, videos, pictures, and other sweet things on there before it drops on YouTube. Make sure you check that out. All right, so without any further ado, guys, let's hop into this. Now, real quick, I actually want to thank New Sun Racing for getting this Nitro Rustler shipped out to me. Here we go. We have our nitro bottle, our fuel bottle. Here's the car. We got the remote. Just gonna put that over there, and we have a bunch of stuff inside here. So everything inside that bag is pretty much everything that you need to get this thing up and going. All right, so let's take this body off. I got the blue one, the blue and gray, and here it is. Beautiful. How to tune it, so we're going to want to keep this just in case, even though I pretty much already know how to tune it. And there we go, we have our 2.5 engine inside there. Easy start in the back. Very nice, very simple nitro setup. Suspension check. Nice. Nice. Very nice and plush suspension. I just had to adjust one of the shock retainer, the spring retainers in the back because that just came undone. Very easy. Usually in transit, they like to pop out, which is no big deal. Very nice, plush suspension. Just love it. Underneath this thing, there should be, yeah, nice. A beautiful aluminum chassis. All right, so what we need to do first is put some AA batteries inside this thing. This here is for the receiver and the servo and all that. So now what I'm gonna do is turn the car on. There you go, the receiver just got power. There we go, we have that. And we're gonna test our throttle as well on the car. Make sure that's good. Brakes. Make sure the brakes are good. Yeah. All right, so that's pretty good. Gonna want to fill this guy up with this blue Gatorade looking stuff. So we're also gonna want to prime it. So I'm gonna want to stick the easy start in here and hold the exhaust. There you go. We're gonna want to see the fuel come up. Yeah, throttle. Let's see if it turns on. This is the first time I'm ever starting my own nitro, literally ever. So, oh, there you go. We're not going to want to go past this about, yeah, we just want it to be very slow for the first battery life, for the battery life, for the first tank. Tank number 2, we're going to start this thing up. Go. There we go. Now we're going to want to give a little bit more throttle. Well, this is going to take a little bit longer than I thought. We got to run 5 tanks through it. I'm having ramen meanwhile, eating some food. And we also got to let it cool about 10 to 15 minutes in between each tank. Thermal expansion, and when you run it, it's going to help break it in correctly. So, cheers. There we go. 4th tank. All right, so here we go. We're finally running this thing. It's, for the most part, all broken in. It just wants to go. That's so cool. All right, here we come. We're gonna do a flyby now. That is just sweet. Oh, man, and it even pops wheelies. I didn't think it was gonna have the torque. Oh, first flip. Whoa, 2 wheels. Whoa. Well, definitely pop some grass wheelies for sure. Oh, coconut. See if it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Oh. Whoa. Alright, so we are all zeroed out now. This is going to be our first ever speed run on the channel with a nitro car. Gonna see how well we do. Let's see what that was. Oh. Almost stalled her out. 48 miles an hour. All right, let's see what that was now. 49. All right, speed run number 3. We're at 49. I'm gonna try to stay in it a little bit longer now. So I'm trying to get the top speed. I'm trying to get 50 miles an hour. Have a good one. Now let's see what that was. Oh my God, we got it. 50 miles an hour. You just got to stay in full throttle for like 10 seconds. 50 miles an hour. All right, so what it says on the box is true. This is possibly one of the best cars you can get if you're just getting into nitro. It's easy, simple, it's pretty affordable too. 349 bucks or whatever. I mean, 50 mile an hour top speed in a nitro for under 400 bucks it's not a bad deal. Traxxas Nitro Rustler, I've had my eye on one for actually about a year now, but it wasn't until about now that I wanted to pull the trigger on it. Now, I appreciate all of you watching this unboxing, break-in / run and top speed video of my first nitro car. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more. You stay safe and have a good one.